Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pay for a PlayStation Plus subscription with debit card. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your PC, laptop or mobile device, head over to any web browser, head over to Google and then type in buy PS Plus subscription. And once you're here, you might get sponsored results, but in my case, I don't. So you want to click on PlayStation Plus, 100 of games to download and play. And this is the official website, PlayStation.com. So you want to go make sure it's the official website. And then you'll come to the main page of this where it says welcome to PlayStation Plus. Enjoy hundreds of PS5, PS4 and classic PlayStation games and unmissable benefits from free great value membership plans that unleash the power of your PlayStation console. So what you want to do now is click on see all membership plans and you'll be brought to this page. So as you can see, you've got choose a subscription plan. You've got 3 different options. You can do the 1 month subscription, 3 months or 12 months. So pick which best suits you. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do the 3 month subscription. Then you want to click on add to cart. And then you want to make sure to sign in, and then this will take you over to where you need to put in your credit card information to pay for the subscription. And then once you've done that, you can enjoy the 100 of games to download and play from PlayStation. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to pay for PS Plus with your debit card. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel. It was helpful.